Hello everyone. Today we are talking about how to protect your server against Heartbleed OpenSSL vulnerability. So to make the secure communication or the encrypted communication between client and server, SSL and TLS protocol widely being used. If you are using outdated version of OpenSSL, then that is very harmful to your application because the oldest version of OpenSSL already compromised, meaning the oldest version of the OpenSSL are already hacked by the hacker. So to fix this vulnerability, you need to do few things. First, update your operating system to the latest one. Second, the version of OpenSSL which you are using, ensure that that version is updated to the latest version. And last thing, you have to ensure that the OpenSSL certificate which you are using, ensure that that certificate is reissued and make your application secure. Thank you.